Hello guys, it's your girl Promise World. I don't come again. Now good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever now they watch me from. If you never subscribe to this channel, I beg you to subscribe, on a notification bell. Anything when I upload nowadays, now be the first people first see. If you just they pass by and see jam my channel, I try to subscribe. Thank you. So I come. Today topic be say I can't talk many things today. Many things they want I can't talk, many gist they want never talk since last week, since last 2 weeks. So I want combine it together and I talk on today. So you get one where I just they pass by internet today. So I can't see champ this pastor. Where they talk that is past Apostle Valentine. He talk say they talk about marriage. So the topic of the thing he say in all culture of the world, the last thing a man can take is disrespect. He said the last thing when man go fit take na disrespect. Because this man as they talk and say not put away. Now me consider tell am my own mind. Because not be only woman. They say respect the reciprocate. No blame woman or the respect man. Because man need to respect woman. I make even God, even Jesus Christ when he went to the preach that time. Nothing when woman do when be say he take and against her. Now only when what man do now he take against her because you know say women are supposed to pamper them because our brain light and simple and because we quit the love too much. So you just cannot take anything when woman do as an offense. Now let even when Adam even when Eve even give Adam ample, you know say punish Eve. Now Adam is still punish why he take her because you know say women they call this like because their brain too light. The way you take carry woman, you go take papa woman, every woman will take give you your respect. You go if before you wake up for morning, you go lead down greet you. The way you take pamper woman, not be say wetin be say you supposed to tell woman sorry for. You say me tell her sorry make the thing end. You go say you be because you be the man and you be this one. You know go respect the woman. So now when be this all these men of God, if una dey talk, mona dey talk na 50-50. God say make men love their wife and respect her. People don't be like that love so mean many things. May love your wife, treat your wife like king, respect your wife. Now what is that God use that love tell me? You know just say you go say make women we can't put you know say women will not to the kid to the reason far. Now make a post say women respect your husband. Because you know say man there's a big reason for there's a big scatter things, there's a big differentiating, they do all of them. Now make I say men love their wife, respect they respect your wife, pamper your wife, treat the wife like king. Now what did this pastor they talk so they talk say if you don't respect the man, the woman you will breed the beast in. You know not say woman get the old lion. You know not say woman get your lion inside that maybe say if the man not respect her. Woman still get your lion. If man not respect the woman will bring out the lion in her. So all this man make I like to watch Daddy Freeze because they talk and the way it be 50-50. Man need to respect their wife, while respect your husband, so that the house could be peaceful. Mona may I put the video for now. Mona look what the pastor. Mona hear what the pastor they talk.
A man's desire is not food. Cook the best food. He can get it in a restaurant. A man's desire is not sex. He can get it in the street through a side chick. A man's desire is not your attire. The greatest thing you will ever take from a man that will cause the beast in him to come out is his respect. Inherent in every man is a king and a beast. If you choose to be a queen, you will bring out the king in him. If you be a torment, you will bring out the beast in him. In all cultures of the world, the last thing that a man cannot take, I'm talking from a generic point of view, is disrespect. Some women are grossly disrespectful. I can tell you with all sincerity that the marriages before this period are far more better. There were no marriage seminars, there were no conferences, there were no lectures on marriage, but the marriages succeeded better because people
respect. They earn respect. No, you can get respect. You as a man, no fit just earn respect for woman. When be say you as a man, you know the respect the woman, you know love the woman. You dey talk to the woman, talk when you talk 100, give the woman. You know if you earn that respect. Or your woman will get issues tomorrow before you know it, all back and carry your face and for bed. Say you define respect. Which woman will respect you like that? If you talk what the woman will talk 100 because you don't respect yourself first. They earn respect. Don't just carry get respect like that. Now here what is the man for the woman for the talk and your woman can be president, man can be president, this one, that one. I mean, I first say man, woman not fit be husband, and so husband not fit be wife. Husband not fit be wife, like, and woman not fit be husband. So if equally we need our respect. You as a man, husband, respect your wife. You as a wife, respect your husband. And so now what you know all this pastor, now what you not supposed to preach. No, now you come preach only one side. That word when this pastor talks, so you know how what it don't break for some home. You know what it don't break for some home. Maybe husband and wife got that sit down now. You go say, you know what the pastor they tell you, say make woman they respect her husband. But you don't come talk about not woman, we not just come this life, come be slave to man. Everybody need respect, everybody deserve respect. Even Jesus Christ respect women. No, just come and say, come just say respect your wife, respect your husband, respect your husband. Don't go say, okay, mona respect husband, mona make sure una love una wife, una respect them. Give them their maximum respect. Pet them. No say woman need petting. Or you say woman just come forever, come they suffer for man, you no go pay, no go do anything. Can't say make the man come they respect you. Because one of the reasons we saw this marriage so not able to work now, all those pastors. Because nobody deserves disrespect and dishonor. You know if you stay from one place say you disrespect your wife because you mean your wife can't lay down the wash your feet for money. It's not possible. Because you no respect, especially when I be men will be saying that they oppress una wife. God no go lie forgive una. First una they oppress una. What now me go they go now they go down. Now they disrespect una what they oppress and join her. Now that oppression let me know just like for inside. I feel shut your ear. Because the right thing when we say una will be supposed to preach. One of they pray before person enter marriage, make he pray for if person dey single, if any lady dey any man dey, make he pray for man when we say you go understand am, you go respect am. Understanding matters a lot in relationship. No reason na not how one understanding no dey. The man no understand this one, the woman no understand, they no understand the man. They also call them the day for theirs every month, every week, every day. Every day. So the one thing we supposed to pray for God help us. We find the right partner. We say we understand each other. Now what we need? Now what they preach. Now leave what I want preach. Now they preach another thing. You say it is to stay for marriage easy. It's not easy for man. I say not easy for woman. Everybody just see the day. Just to the respect because of children, don't they? They more your day. Make sure not the locals with the quarry. You as a man, if you know how your woman be, you learn. You mind what you would do. You as a woman, if you know how your woman be. You as a woman, if you know how your man be, you know how you go take the view. You know how you take the beer. What did the man not like? You know what they do. You as a man, what did the woman not like? You know they do. What did you know say they made the woman head the hot? Man, not they do. Because some men they make woman head the hot. Well, I know say this woman I want to say go wrong. You go make the woman face, but now go do. I can also wait what happen. Now me do my the comment and say na the woman na cause na the woman they quarrel na they talky. So now what I say, I can't talk for this matter. If na get any opinion, I'm gonna leave am for the comment section. Thank you. More go to the other news. This one I just see soon. This one just suit me for body. The matter not be small. Proposing. The moment a lady proposed to her boyfriend at dinner. The girl proposed to a boyfriend for dinner. Not be small. Because you don't wait for the boy. Don't tire now. You don't wait for it. The boy not be propose. Now he go propose by itself. This kind of ladies, they like them way. They gallant. So since the man not be propose, may he propose to Rana. Now she dey propose to Rana today. Me I dey like all this kind of thing. Love. Because love is, and the man just see get sense. You can't see accept. And not be some way no go school. Woman say they want engage. They will say the woman too cheap. the woman too cheap. They go leave, they waka leave am because they engage am. Anybody can engage each other. Man fit engage woman fit engage man for those wey know wetin they can do for life. So more na wetin dey talk about because the thing dey sweet me for belle, the way the girl and the boy just take do, the boy take smile, collect the ring for the girl hand. More na watch the video. Na see the video, see wetin I dey talk about. So this kind thing na person like to dey watch. No be marriage issue, dey use marriage take dey disturb person head. You know say na maybe later now the girl, the boy come engage am well. So anybody can engage each other. Everything man. Anybody can engage each other because now the people wey know wetin they can do for life, they go know say anybody can engage each other because the girl don wait, the boy never no gree engage, na she engage am. Na the same na the girl, the boy na go school, come see the girl and use laugh and smile take collect am for im hand. So na wetin I say make I come give show na to the man I come tell na today o. If una like this video, una leave una comment under the comment section. We'll enter the other news. This matter, I just see I see me as he come talk am because this was just kind of the aspect money. I see they give you money make you who. Then at Uche come outside. Tell them say Buhari never pay me. President Buhari does not pay me to be a celebrity. Stop asking me for money. You hear me? They say Buhari no dey pay am. Actually, Buhari no dey pay am. Buhari no dey pay am to be celebrity. So they go dey beg una Nigeria people na to dey ask am for money. So anytime when Buhari give am, he go pay. He go give una money. So mona watch the video. Mona see wetin I dey talk about.
Hello, I want to talk to my fans. You guys need to stop this. If na see me for road, una go dey ask me for money.
So
is Buhari paying me to be a celebrity? How much Osinbajo don give me for being a celebrity? I don't like it. Please, if you see me, take your pictures and let me go. Stop asking me for money. If I get, I will give you.
So that they talk about Abi. So one has told that they ask this man money. If Buhari does how they pay, don't do well for the country. It was how they give you money. And if you still get, you will give you. No be say that they put pressure for everybody. Nigeria are not easy. Nigeria are not easy at all. So when they put pressure for you, they get money they will give you. Okay? Now what I see my content now today, I'm gonna leave now comments under the comment section. So I like what the guy talk, or what he do, what he write, what he tell, whether I did right or not. So I'm gonna enter the other news. This matter, so when I want bring so when I want talk about so you don't think when I see him more, but you don't go like 2 weeks now. So I just may I talk about him because now cross dresser James Brown. He said Bobrisky. He said Bobrisky should be scared of him. Say now Bobrisky supposed to be scared of and say no all these cockroaches. Cockroach queen and cockroach rat. He say no one that can not be with them. Say Bobrisky should be scared of him. But this boy no say na Bobrisky na first start all this matter, all this cross dress matter. That boy, that girl, on a girl to himself now you don't receive many insults from people hand before. Now in fact, even open way for them. So and even still senior. So it's supposed to the remember the and this boy is supposed to be respect. So I watch the video, I hear what for talk and say Bobrisky gonna queen of cockroaches and rats. So I watch the video.
Are you saying the queen mother of cross dressers?
It's not a queen mother. Who name that?
She
named herself. Oh my God! I like when you say she named herself. I don't know that's queen mother. I only know somebody and I respect that person, which is the relay.
It's like there are two sides to the coin now.
Of course, babe. I won't allow somebody that call himself queen of rats or cockroaches to come out and drag you because
did you Bobrisky?
You always obey me.
Look, my wallet.
And again, because you helped me in the past, does not mean you call me to threaten me off social media. And because I was so scared. I mean, he has so much.
Are you not scared now?
Right now, oh my God, Bobrisky should be scared.
Oh shit!
Now see the video now. Now see where for talk cancel. Say Bobrisky na cockroach. I beg James Brown. Man has started the quarrel for Nigeria because what dey for Nigeria so we pass now. You pass now. I mean, try me respect Bobrisky because na open way for all of us. So na take content the dress like woman. Because na normal ground. You know me Bobrisky you just come out like that. If you don't dey inside prison now. So when I respect and I wish all of us luck for Nigeria and I really dey try me dey respect Bobrisky. See give my your respect because na him open way for una. So I like what I talk so una leave una comment for the comment section. I'll end my video for today. See you for my next video. If you never subscribe to this channel, please try make you subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, God bless you and thanks for watching. Please share this my video, like and comment. Please support me. I tell you, I want to support me too. I want to subscribe for my channel. For my old subscriber, I tell all of you, I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you all. Bye bye. Ciao. See you for my next video. Wow. Peace out.